If you have watched Sex, Love, and Goop on Netflix, you might now be wondering, what's my erotic blueprint? Well, the blueprints are your personal arousal map, and they help guide how you achieve or could achieve orgasmic states. For all of those interested in unlocking an epic sex life, join our special collaboration with certified erotic blueprint coach Elle McPherson through her 2-course class on unlocking your pleasure and communicating your desires. In this interactive series of fun, safe, introductory workshops, you will learn your primary erotic blueprint type, how to tap into your type, tools to help identify and please your partner's type, or how to feed each blueprint type, communication styles of each blueprint, and the superpowers and shadows of each type. According to Elle, the blueprints are an amazingly powerful tool for fulfilling and satisfying relationships with others, because they offer permission to accept who you are and what makes you tick.
So join me in class, where we'll dive into unpacking the 5 erotic blueprint types. You'll leave with a better understanding and acceptance of who you and others are, and actionable ways to integrate the blueprints into your love life. Register at mysexbiostudio.org.